Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the device and enabling access to hidden settings. Make sure the phone is charged and unlocked, then open Settings and go to About Phone. Tap MIUI version 7 times until you see You are now a developer. This unlocks developer options. Once done, back out to the main settings menu and look for developer options. You're now ready to change deeper system toggles. This is necessary because USB debugging lives inside developer options and won't appear otherwise. Open Settings, then Additional Settings and choose Developer Options. If Developer Options is off, toggle it on at the top. Next, scroll down to the Debugging section and locate USB debugging. Tap the switch to enable it. A confirmation dialog appears explaining risks. Read it and accept to allow a DB connections. Make sure to enable USB debugging, security settings, only if you understand device-wide permissions. This step allows your PC to communicate with the phone over a DB for installs and logs. Connect the phone to your computer with a USB cable and select File Transfer or MTP on the phone prompt. This often activates the connection. When the PC requests authorization, tap Allow to accept the RSA key. This authorizes a DB. If the PC does not see the device, try another USB cable or port, toggle USB debugging off and on, or reinstall USB drivers on the computer. One key tip: enable USB configuration to MTP and authorize the PC. That resolves most recognition problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.